Hello students, today we will start the brain teasers of unit 14, that is bills. Now the first question is, what is a bill? So we have learned that a bill is a slip of paper on which the requirements of the customer and the total cost of the items purchased are mentioned, right? And how is a bill useful in case of a defective item? अगर कोई डिफेक्टिव आइटम होता है तो उस केस में बिल कैसे यूजफुल होता है? सो इन केस ऑफ डिफेक्टिव आइटम अ कस्टमर कैन एक्सचेंज इट इजीली बाय शोइंग द बिल. सो बिल को शो करके इजीली कस्टमर डिफेक्टिव आइटम को चेंज कर सकता है, एक्सचेंज कर सकता है. Now question number 2 is, you are given a bill below. Fill in the blanks. So here the bill is given and you have to fill in the blanks. So name of the shop is given, Rare Textiles, Shimla, and phone number, date is given. Now everything is mentioned over here. We have 5 blanks there. So let us find out the answers. So here first thing, shawl is purchased, and how many shawls are purchased? That is 5. And rate means cost of one shawl is 175 rupees. Now you have to find out the amount. So cost of one shawl is given, you have to find out the cost of 5 shawls and you have to write here. So multiply both of them. 5 5 is 25 and 7 5 is 35 plus 2 37, 3 and 5 is 5 6 7 8 875 rupees, right? Next is cotton cloth, 3 meters are purchased and the rate, that means cost of 1 meter is given. So what is the cost of 3 meters? So we have to multiply it, right? So multiply it. 3 zeros is 0, so we have to write the paise. So 3 zeros are 0 and 3 5s are 15. 1 carryover and again 5 and 3 3s are 9. That is 91 rupees 50 paise. Now here shirt piece. How many shirt pieces are purchased? That is 2. And here the amount is given. That means the cost of 2 shirt piece is given. And we have to find out the rate. Rate means cost of one piece शर्ट पीस. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. रेट क्या होता है? 1 पीस का होगा, पर आइटम का होता है. सो यहाँ पर 2 आइटम्स का दिया है. सो मैनी टू 1 बनाने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? डिवाइड. सो डिवाइडेड बाय 2. सो डिवाइडेड 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. So this is 180 rupees, right? Similarly, socks. Only 1 pair of socks was purchased and its amount is given, so the rate will be same क्योंकि 1 ही पेयर परचेज किया था और उसका ही अमाउंट गिवन है, तो 1 का तो सेम ही आंसर आएगा, 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करके ही. So it is 68 rupees 50 paise. Now the last blank is, we have to find out the total amount. For that we have to add 0 plus 0 0 is 0. देन 5, बिकॉज ये थोड़ा सा आगे पीछे हो गया, तो आपको ये प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में होना चाहिए था. सो 5 plus 5 is 10. Decimal will come here. Then 5 plus 1 6 and 6 plus 8 is, sorry, here 1 carryover also. So 6 plus 8 14 plus 1 is 15. 1 carryover again. Now 9 plus 1 10 17. 17 plus 6 is 23. 23 plus 6 is 29. So 2 carry over. Now 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 3 13. 1395 rupees is the total amount, right? So in this way you can fill the blanks. Next question is, here Rahul got the following bill from the Raj sweet shop. Rahul finds some errors in this bill. So इस बिल में कुछ एरर्स है, मिस्टेक्स है. फाइंड आउट दोज एरर्स. राइट. सो name of the shop, address, date and telephone number is given. Everything is given. We have to find out the mistakes. So here the first is pista barfi. Quantity is 1 kg purchased and its rate is 360 rupees. Now amount should be, what will be the amount? So 360 multiplied by 1 is 360, but it is written 720 rupees. So this is the first mistake. तो यहाँ पर क्या आना चाहिए? 360. तो 1 kg ही परचेज किया है और उसकी कॉस्ट थी 360, तो यहाँ पर क्या आना चाहिए था? 360 रुपीज कॉस्ट होनी चाहिए थी 1 kg. नेक्स्ट इज काजू बर्फी. 1 kg was purchased and its rate is 650 rupees. तो यहाँ पर 650, it is correct because 1 kg ही परचेज किया है. नेक्स्ट इज जलेबी. 2 kg was purchased and the rate is 120 rupees. Now here amount is 250 rupees. So let us check. If we multiply 120 by 2, what will come? It will come 240 rupees, right? So that means there is a mistake. So this is again wrong. So what will come over here? 240 rupees, right? Next is gulab jamun 2 kg and the cost of 1 kg is 280 rupees. Now here the total amount is 580 rupees. 2 kg gulab jamun. So is it correct? So let us multiply first. So this is wrong. Why? So multiply करेंगे तो कितना आना चाहिए? 560 rupees. So this is again wrong. So 560 rupees यहाँ पर आना चाहिए. So there is again a mistake or error. Next is laddu. Quantity is 2 kg and rate is 170 rupees. So what will be the amount? 170 multiplied by 2, that is 340. So this is correct. Now जब यहाँ पर ही हमारा मिस्टेक हो गई तो that means टोटल में भी मिस्टेक होगी. So let us add them. So 0 plus 0 0, 0 0 0, again 0, and then again 0, right? Now 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 4, 15, 15 plus 6, 21, 21 plus 4, 25. So what will come here is 5. So next 2 carry over. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. And 18 plus 3, 21. So 2150 rupees is the total amount. But यहाँ पर क्या है? 2520 rupees. So this is again there is a mistake. So these are the errors that we have find and done the corrections. Next question is look carefully at the bill given below and answer the questions that follow. So read the bill carefully. It is a bill of Pai and Company. Address is Calicut, Kerala. Date is 7/11/2014. And now the items which are purchased is comics, Reader Digest, greeting card, pilot pen. Quantity is given, rate is given, amount is given, total amount is given, right? Now the question: from which shop were the above item purchased and when were they purchased? So what is the question? Which shop? That means we have to write the name of the shop. कौन सी shop से purchase किया? Pai and Company, right? Pai and Company से purchase किया है. And when, कब वो purchase किया था, that means date we have to write. So on 7/11/2014, right? So यहाँ पर हमसे पूछा था name of the shop and date of purchase, right? Next question is, where is the shop located? That means we have to write down the address. So it is located in Calicut, Kerala. So we'll write it here, Calicut, Kerala. So everything is written on the bill. हमें सिर्फ वहां से ढूंढ के आंसर्स लिखने. Next is, how many items were purchased from Pai and Company? So find out how many items were purchased. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 items. So right here, 4 items. 4 items were purchased. Next is, what is the cost of one comic? Now, rate of one comic is asked. So what is the rate of one comic? So let us see here. Comic, the item, quantity, rate. So what is the rate of comic? That is one comic. Rate क्या होता है? Per each item. So rate of one comic is 30 rupees. So right here, rupees 30. Rupees 30. What is the cost of 5 greeting cards? So now, cost of 5 greeting cards. So greeting cards are here and items are 5 and its total cost is 125 rupees. So everything is written in the bill. So 125 rupees. 125 rupees, right? Next is, if I want to buy 3 pilot pens, how much should I pay? कितने pilot pens purchase करने हैं? 3. So कितना पे करना पड़ेगा? First of all, we must know the cost of one pilot pen. So cost of one pilot pen is 50 rupees, right? One pilot pen की cost है 50 rupees and कितने pilot pen purchase करने हैं? 3. So how much should I pay? तो कितना करेंगे? 150 रुपीज का है, 3 कितने होगा? 50 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3, दैट इज रुपीज 150. 50 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 इज 150 रुपीज. नेक्स्ट इज, व्हाट इज द टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ द आइटम परचेज्ड? Total cost of the item purchased. Total means amount that we have to write. So what is the total amount? That is 360 rupees. 360 rupees. Right? So this is a very easy question. बिल से ही देख के हमने सारे आंसर्स लिखने थे. And next, 5th question. Anil purchased the following items from the Agarwal Namkeen Corner on 6 July 2014. Prepare a bill for these items. If Anil gave the shopkeeper 100 rupees note, how much balance will he get back? So I think there is some mistake over here, because 100 rupee का अगर वो नोट देगा, लेकिन यहाँ पर जो आइटम्स हैं गिवन जिनका रेट है वो दैट इज मोर देन 100 रुपीज, बिकॉज यहाँ पर 6 पेस्ट्रीज है एंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 पेस्ट्री इज 35 रुपीज. तो ये ही 100 रुपीज से ज़्यादा हो जाती है. सो देयर इज अ मिस्टेक ओवर हेयर. यहाँ पर आपका 100 रुपी नहीं हो सकता. आप अमाउंट देखिए, इट मे बी 500 रुपी. सो हेयर द क्वेश्चन इज रॉन्ग. आप एक बिल प्रिपेयर कीजिए और इंस्टेड ऑफ 100 यू कैन राइट हेयर 500 रुपीज, राइट? 500 रुपीज का नोट देगा वो, और कितना उसको बैलेंस मिलेगा, देन फाइंड आउट द बैलेंस. सो यू नो हाउ टू प्रिपेयर अ बिल. जो एवरीथिंग इज मेंशन, नेम ऑफ द शॉप अग्रवाल नमकीन कॉर्नर, डेट इज गिवन 6 July 2014, and here the items are given, potato chips and cream biscuits, pastries and Pepsi, and their quantity is also given 3, 2, 6, 1. Rate is also given 20 rupees 50 paise, 10 rupees 50 paise, 35 rupees and 20 rupees. So everything is given. You have to prepare a bill. So prepare a bill in 5th and 6th question, and in next video we will start a new unit, that is temperature. So that unit is also very easy. There are only 2 formulae, so on which the whole unit is based. So in next video we will start that. Thank you.